Hi guys, welcome to another wheel bin wheel removal video from those guys at Weber. For this next one, I want to introduce you to our new tool, which we've just had commissioned recently. Very easy for taking wheels off both 240s and 140s. Basically, we have two ends, this and this. Put them in between the wheels, actually on the wheels. You should drop in there and then gently push two pieces together like that. Take it off. One wheel's off, leaving the axle and the other wheel on it. Very, very simple to use. You can get those by emailing sales@w-weber.com. Thank you very much.